Welcome back to the channel. Thanks to my sponsor PCBway.
Grew up in a place where they told you what to
This is my take on the Philips Hue Iris. I hope you like the design.
like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream. I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want.
It took me a few hours to get the design right, dimensions and everything.
And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down,
I'm reusing a PCB I designed for a previous project. I hope it provides enough light. If it doesn't, I'll make a new one. For aesthetics options, I wanted to have 5 spokes on this holder for the PCB. Later on I had to change it because it was not the best option, but it looked really good.
all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance.
If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I can answer them in part 2. And after the design was ready, it was time to print. Here you can see I adjusted the design to be more open and more forgiving for the parts on the PCB to have more space to fit them. Thanks to PCBway for sponsoring this video. PCBway is best known for manufacturing PCBs, but they also do CNC machining, 3D printing and much more. Also handy is the PCB prototype assembly. Go check them out on PCBway.com. These are the final renders of my design. As you could see in the previous footage, I printed them myself. But I also ordered some of the parts with the 3D printing service of PCBway, and in part 2 we're gonna see how they turned out. You can now see where all the parts should fit, and we're gonna assemble it in part 2. And now something I usually don't show, but I do have print failures. It's because I use different kinds of brands of filament. I don't have a filament sponsor yet, but every type of filament needs different settings, and these are the problems that come with them. And again, thanks to my Patreons. Like and subscribe, or you can support me on Patreon. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next. Part 2 will be coming out soon.